When the last time you heard it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this? When the last time you heard some shit?
What is up, you guys? I probably already did the intro. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and we're just about to get onto this video. So my hair is freshly washed, as you can see. I don't know what it is about this camera. I got a new phone, but it's something about the Pro that's throwing me off. Is it this? I got a new camera for the sake of you guys, so you're welcome. Starting off, my hair is freshly washed, it's damp. You guys see this is a poofy mess. I'm going to be using my Camille Rose as a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be oiling my scalp. And then I am also going to be using a little bit of extreme gel in the sections because I want to try something new. I want to do a deep side part braid out. Before I section it off, I'm gonna grab this oil. This is the Argan Oil by Chi. It looks clear, and I'm just gonna run this on the ends of my hair. It's really like 3 sections. Put some more oil and put it on the ends. Because you guys know Chi oil is so good, especially when it comes to frizz and all that good stuff. Why not try a braid out? I'm gonna put some more oil. And this feels so good on wet hair. That's why I'm just so excited. Because my last braid out, I was kind of disappointed. I did like the idea of doing it on dry hair, but I really feel like my hair sets in better on wet hair. This is the Mael Scalp Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It has biotin and it encourages hair growth. And I've been loving this. I've been using this probably for about a month now. I'm gonna grab some of this Camille Rose. See that? It's just poofing up. Okay. You wanna get like, no, that's too much. You want to get like this much. This is maybe like less than a quarter size. And you just want to rub it all through your hair like a thin layer, right? You don't want to grab any more gel. You don't need any more gel. It's just for the frizz. Some of this oil. Get some more of this cream. And you just want to braid that in. It's going to naturally curl up. Whatever you put on your scalp, put on your ends. It's literally secured. Y'all see this braid pattern? It turned out. This is how my hair turned out. I did it a second time, and I'm starting to think that the more product, the better. I'm not gonna lie, my hair is super soft. Real cute, I'm not gonna lie. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video.
When the last time you heard it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this? When the last time you heard some shit